Make a great choice today with the 2012 Chevy Impala. The Impala has been one of America's favorites for over 50 years. Enough said. And is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: Bose sound system, traction control, XM satellite radio, anti-lock braking system, heated seats, power passenger seat, moonroof, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, power steering. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.